Hey ladies, welcome to Bralette. This is the channel where we talk about all matters bras. And for today, we will be talking about the best sports bra for small breasts. A good sports bra is one that holds the breast in place. It fits snugly around the upper torso and prevents the breast from bouncing when you're working out, exercising, or doing high impact activities. Every woman must have a good quality sports bra. However, some ladies think that they do not need a sports bra because they have small breasts. Forget about this thought. It is just plain wrong. Whatever the size of your breast, a sports bra is necessary, especially if you usually engage in high impact activities. The sports bra will help you move freely and comfortably. Continue watching this video for an overview of the best sports bras for women with small breasts. So to kickstart our lineup, we have Core 10 Women's Scoop Back Yoga Bralette Sports Bra. If you're looking for a sports bra with a sophisticated V-neck, then the Amazon brand Core 10 Women's Sports Bra is the real deal for you. This sports bra may be paired with yoga leggings to complete your outfit. The Core 10 Sports Bra is fully lined, has a stylish V-neck design, and can be paired with leggings. The bra is made of super soft, 4-way stretch fabric that provides flexible support and has moisture wicking properties. The snug bottom band enhances support, while the smooth low-profile strap removes distractions. The Core 10 Sports Bra is comfortable and perfect to be worn during exercises. We love how its band fits snugly without binding. When wearing the bra, you don't have to check or fix it while exercising, as it stays put and provides the right coverage. Secondly, we have Champion Women's Curvy Sports Bra. Now, Champion's Women's Curvy Sports Bra is one of the best sports bra for small breasts. If you are fond of using a racerback bra, you might want to consider this sports bra that comes in different colors. The Champion Sports Bra is made from high quality materials, is comfortable and supportive. The bra comes in vibrant colors that will make you want to go to the gym. The band underneath the bra has moisture wicking properties. This is superb as it eliminates the sweat that drips down between your breasts. The bra's mesh racerback ensures your breasts are well ventilated. Next on our list, we have the Underworks Maricattan Sports Bra and Binding Minimizer Bra. Get the comfort that you need with the Underworks Maricattan Sports Bra and Binding Minimizer Bra. This sports bra is made from soft material that is comfortable to the skin. Now, this sports bra, wide straps are made to sit comfortably and not cut or dig into your shoulders. The bra also has a wide band that prevents it from riding up, even during vigorous activities. This bra offers a great cotton feel against your skin. It stretches in all directions. The Underworks bra provides excellent support. It ensures that the breast stays in place even when engaging in high impact activities. However, make sure you measure your breast size properly to enjoy the excellent support offered by the bra. Moving forward, we have the beautyin Women's Crossback Sports Bra. Are you looking for a perfect gift for your yoga or exercise buddy? You might want to consider the beautyin Women's Crossback Sports Bra. This sports bra is very comfortable for sports, does not slip, and holds the chest up. The sports bra is made from quality materials and has adjustable straps. Its cross-strappy open back reduces pressure on the shoulders and gives you a sexy look. You'll also love the reinforced wire-free cushion padded cups that deliver a flattering lift. As a woman, You need an outfit and underwear that will make you feel comfortable. The beautyin women's crossback sports bra is one such underwear. A comfortable sports bra that will ensure that you can move freely and confidently while doing your routines. Again in our list, we have Barelythere women's microfiber crop top. If you like wearing a bra even when sleeping, then the Barelythere women's microfiber crop top is perfect for you. This crop top is so comfortable that you can wear it at night and still get a good night's sleep. This is also one of the best sports bra for small breasts. The Barelythere crop top is made from high quality materials and has seamless lining and pull-on closure. This bra is a silky bralette style crop top with a 4-way stretch that makes it comfortable to wear even when going to sleep. The Barelythere women's microfiber crop top provides excellent comfort. This makes it perfect leisure bra. Next on our list, we have Core 10 women's Studio Tech high neck longline yoga bralette sports bra. If you are going into yoga and are planning to buy a new set of sports bra, you might want to consider the Core 10 women's Studio Tech sports bra. This sports bra is stylish and lovely. The Core 10 is designed to be worn during yoga and other exercises. The support sports bra is super soft and features a stylish elastic multi-strap back design. The bra is also form-fitted to sit comfortably close to the body. The Core 10 is machine washable. Closing on our list is the Anita women's Dynamix Star Maximum Support Sports Bra. The Anita women's Dynamix Star Maximum Support Sports Bra also makes it in our list of the best sports bras for small breasts. If you're planning to buy several sports bra, you might want to try this bra as it is comfortable and offers excellent support. The Anita sports bra features an open wide X-back and straps that can be adjusted at the front. The straps are effectively positioned at the center of the shoulder for maximum support. The bra caps are seamless, pre-shaped, and X-back shape provide extra support. The best thing about the Anita sports bra is that it is very supportive. Support is one of the critical features to consider when looking to buy a sports bra. You can wear this bra during yoga or other low-impact exercises that require free movement to your body. Finding the perfect sports bra is challenging, especially if you have a small chest. There are specific requirements for each breast size, not to mention your particular preferences that you also need to consider. To find the best sports bra, know what you want before starting to shop. Also, if you want to try a new brand, make sure you check what other women are saying about the particular brand before you buy. If you like our video, please don't forget to send us your suggestion or your views in the comment section below. And also, do not forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.